Turn it off, baby.
Okay.
Honey, we're not going to take the fish.
Well, just a little more further documentation. Tank's a little dirty.
Honey, we're running out of film. We got new friends in our tank.
Now, since I last taped, there's some neons in there. These are black neons. Isn't that cute? There he is. Oh, there's Herbie. He's another one of our new ones. Some kind of rare silver dollar, maybe a moa or a luna. That's Herbie. And I do not know how to work this camera to save my life.
Zoom on the top?
Right. There's our other one. See a little tip on the bottom?
Hook! His name's Hook!
Hook. He's pretty speedy. Well, there's our fish. I don't know if you can tell they've grown and all, but
Hey! I have my Swiss rolls. I didn't save you any.